Hi guys, again this tweak actually need to install AppSync. If you install it yet, it's okay, but if you do not install it, follow the instruction. So go to your Cydia and we are going to actually sources tab. Yes, and touch edit, and after that touch add, and actually add the official AppSync source. As you can see, add the source and waiting. So return to Cydia, go back to the actually sources tab and try to find the AppSync sources. Yes, current repo. We're going to here and touch the all package. As you know, AppSync. Yes. Touch the install and confirm it. Restart your Springboard and wait till your iPhone loaded again. So waiting here. So go back to our home screen and go into Safari and add this URL Doppy DUPPY .APP as you see, and go. This is so easy, just need to tap to install Doppy and wait to install completely Doppy. Yes, and touch the install. Go back to our home screen, download. Yes, and go back to our home screen and wait till application completely download. So waiting here. So open the Doppy, and here is the app that in your iPhone. Which app that you want to make it both, you can select it. For example, I select Zara app and touch the duplicate, and when you see this error, and it tells us we must download the CrackerExcel. So go back to the Cydia and add the source of iPhone cake. Just follow the step, just like me. Guys, just add this source, it's the official source. Add the source. Yes. Add anyway. Wait till end. Return to your Cydia and try to find the AppCake source. Yes, as you see, AppCake, and go to all package. Yes, and touch the CrackerExcel Plus and wait till downloaded completely. So open up your phone, go back to your home screen and open up the CrackerExcel. So we should wait here till all the application load completely. Please wait here. So go to the setting and turn on the CrackerExcel hook. Yeah. And in the app list, just try to find the app that you wanted to make it both. Touch the yes binary only and wait. So go back to your home screen and open up the Doppy again and try to find the app. Yes. It's here. Open up and touch the duplicate again. Here you can choose any name you want. And starting and wait till the end. So go back to your home screen and wait the installing completely done. And here we go, anything is alright. This is my first app, as you see. Yes, we are going to second app that we have made it. Yes, and this is the second. So enjoy yourself and enjoy your boss.